Hello and welcome back to UIE channel, guys. Today I have received my new drone, which is KUN SG908 2021 model. It's cost me $156. This video review is for unboxing this drone to know what is inside the box, and then a little indoor flight to see if it is working good or not. Just open the box, then you will see a bag, which is wrapped with plastic. Unzip bag to view all its contents. You can see the folded drone, a remote control, and a spare battery inside the bag. It seems like packaging is good. A small box which contains a screwdriver, USB charging cable, 2x remote control knobs. These knobs are made with plastic, and these are not screw type, but you will have to force onto remote control, as showing because these are little stiff. The remote control has folding arms, where you can fit your mobile phone for smart flights. Furthermore, items inside the little box, the manual booklets in 6 languages. Four spare propellers, and some spare screws for propellers. The drone has HD camera with 3 Axis Gimble. The gimbal protector is also there. It seems like good drone for the price which I paid for it. £155 with 2 batteries and GPS enabled for smart and intelligent flights. Not bad. One battery is already fitted in the drone. The spare battery is in the box. The spare batteries box indicated that it's 4,600 milliamps, but it is 3,400 milliamps. I am turning on this drone for the first time. Please watch on screen the camera, and gimbal seems okay, as it's moving left and right, and up and down. Now I am adding 4 batteries to its remote control to test this drone for first flight. As you can see, the drone was turned on a few minutes ago. The remote control connection is not possible now. But I will have to turn off drone and remote. To connect remote control to this drone, please turn on the drone, and then within 5 seconds turn on the remote. It beeps on connection, and also remote lights will blink fast, then stay steady. The drone is ready to fly. I am just getting ready to fly this drone. As you can see that drone is flying indoor, and it is flying very well. I will make a couple of more videos soon to view its 4K camera, battery timing, and a full flight review outdoors. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Universal Information and Entertainment TV. Please like and subscribe our channel for more updated videos, news, information and entertainment. See you in next video. Stay tuned.